Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Hydra here, back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get more FPS in less input delay. Now, by following these steps, you'll get more FPS. As you can see in the bottom left, I am legit 240 steady. And you'll also be able to get less input delay, so your builds place faster, and you basically just do everything quicker. By the way, if you guys are not already following my Twitter, go to the link in the description and go follow. And it would mean the world to me, guys. So go do that. And other than that, let's just get into the video. Okay, so first, skins. You may not think skins matter, but they actually do. So what I'm going to tell you is that basically skins that are animated like this, that have like these like animations like this, let me try to find another one, or like this, so you can see the like that tends to have an an effect on your game. So preferably you want to use skins that don't have any of those kinds of effects, so like the dynamo or soccer skin, or this one, or this one. Basically skins that aren't animated like this. Okay, so a default is the perfect example. I'm gonna just use the yellow jacket for this one. Pickaxes as well, if it has an animation, like if it's glowing, obviously, like, let's see, the star wand I know glows, so as you can see, like right here, it like shines. So you want to stay away from that. That tends to bring your FPS down. Like this, that does it as well. So I'm gonna just use an axe that I know does not do it. So the driver, nothing on it. So this one is perfect. Okay, so I'm just gonna hop into a creative game to show you guys all my settings. Alright, so we are in a creative match. So as you can see, my ping is literally 0 and I do have 240 FPS. So I'm just gonna go over my my video settings. So I play on window full screen. This is just preference in my opinion. I don't really think it changes your game at all. I do play on a 144 Hz monitor, so I'm only seeing 144 Hz. But my game can reach 240 pretty easily, so I just put it on that. Color brightness, I haven't changed this. I don't think this matters. If you want to change it, go ahead, but overall, I don't think it matters. These settings are where it matters, okay? So what you're going to want to do is put your presets to... Okay, so I thought that was a custom one, but no, just keep it on low. And then you're going to bring your 3D resolution up. And then this should be perfect. 96% is perfect in my opinion. If you want to make your view distance epic, you can also do that, but I don't. I don't like in game. I don't preferably like snipe or anything like that. So I just have it on here to give me more FPS. Also, end games, you need that extra FPS. Going down here to the advanced graphics, we have VSync off, which that's kind of an obvious one. So is motion blur. Show FPS on. You always want to see what FPS you have. DirectX 11. Now I would see when they. Okay, so it says restart needed, but okay. So as you can see, DirectX 12 is preferably better. But the thing is that it takes, like, you get more FPS, but it also takes more. So the better option, in my opinion, was just to go with DirectX 11, so that you can have that steady frame rate. In my opinion. So, alright, so allow multi-threaded rendering on. I think this one's kind of obvious too. It takes away tearing, and use GPU crash debugging. Now I don't really know too much about this one, but I do not really think it matters. So yeah. Other than that, okay, I don't think this matters. But I am NA East. It does say I'm playing 65 ms, but as you can see, it keeps saying that for DirectX 12. But as you can see, I do have 0 ping. And when I build, it does go down a little bit, but let me put my frame rate on 144, because that's all I'm seeing. As you can see, it does not move whatsoever. So yeah, as you can see, 1 ping, 144 FPS steady. Now, if I had a 240 hertz monitor, I could possibly run 240 steady, but, you know, I just keep it on 240 because I don't want it to, you know, get below 144 and then, you know, lag. So, yeah, that's why I have those settings, and yeah. Alright, so, a part of this also does depend on your PC specs, so I'm gonna leave my PC specs in the description. I did buy a pre-built. I was kind of dumb. Like, when I was first buying my PC, I didn't realize how much of a better offer I could have gotten if I built my own PC. So I actually ended up just getting it's a really good pre-built, but yeah, I did end up getting the pre-built. So I'll leave a link to that in the description. Obviously, the better PC you have, the better performance you're gonna get out of it. But yeah. Okay, so now we're on my desktop, and you're probably thinking, what am I looking at? I'm not very organized when it comes to like my files and stuff. I usually just bring it to my downloads or my desktop, and I basically just keep it here. There's like, I'm not very organized when it comes to like where my stuff goes on my computer, like I just said. But I swear, IRL, like I'm super organized. Like my room, it is so clean. I swear to God. All right, but back to the video. So now we're actually gonna go into our settings, like in our computer. So as you can see, I need to update my Windows after I'm done recording. But the first thing I'm gonna look at is the game bar. So what this is basically, it's a clipping software which I actually use, and it's really good. It's the best quality possible. I currently have it off because I'm recording, but when I'm not, I usually have this on. It does take a pretty good chunk of your, you know, CPU. As you can see, let's actually go into my taskbar, task manager. So as you can see, I have quite a lot of things open. Malware bytes, that's just to clean out, obviously, the malware in my computer. Settings, Discord, Fortnite, and then obviously Streamlabs, which I used to record. But yeah, so these are all the background processes that go on which affect your CPU. Now, basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into, okay, so we're done with game bar. Okay, so if you prefer to use game bar, go ahead. There's other clipping softwares like Metal. If you don't use game bar, then turn it off, because I think when you get your PC, it's automatically on. So yeah, just do that. Alright, so after you fix game bar and whatnot, you're going to go to the bottom left and you're going to type in background apps. So then it's going to bring us to right here. So as you can see, this is also on, I'm pretty sure. You're going to want to turn this off, and all of these apps will be off. So now the things, let me go back into my task manager. These apps, like right here, like are all used for, like, obviously they're used for a reason. They're used to help the apps run. So as you can see, BattleEye launcher, that's for Fortnite. AMD, these are for my graphics card. I actually have an AMD graphics card, which kind of sucks. I wish I'd gotten NVIDIA, but obviously I bought a pre-built. I didn't know what I was doing. But yeah, all of these are just used for a reason. Some of the processes, like Microsoft Office, like you can end those tasks because obviously you're not using it. Also, as Cortana, you can also close that. I don't think that matters. But yeah, so once you're done sorting out your background apps and your game bar, you're gonna want to restart your PC, load back up for it, make sure you have all of these settings copied, and you should be pretty good to go. You know, most of this does depend on your PC though, I should mention. If you obviously have a low-end PC, you're not gonna get as good of graphics. Yeah, other than that, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. If you did enjoy, please drop a like. I upload twice a week. You guys do not want to miss the banger that's coming out on Saturday. So turn on the noties. Also, go follow my Twitter, link in the description. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Peace out.